There are numerous items accessible to table lamp with USB ports, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best table lamp with USB ports from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Table lamp. Bedside lamp with 4 USB ports. Bluelit in 4 quick USB charging ports. 2 AC Energy retailers with 2500W output and 17.0 joules surge shield to safeguard your costly gadgets. Nightstand lamp plus removable alarm clock base plus AC Energy and USB desktop charging station equals a USFORE artistic desk lamp. Ideally suited lovely ornament on your dwelling, examine desk, workplace, faculty dorm room. Additionally, an amazing present concept for Christmas, New Year or birthday items. Father's Day present concepts. With the plug-and-play design, merely take away the lamp holder from the bottom. It's an helpful alarm clock charging station. This alarm clock has 2 alarms, full ring dimmer brightness, battery backup perform, 9 minutes snooze, on, off swap, and an enormous digital show. Greatest accent on your nightstand, finished desk or examine desk, and it's transportable on your journey. Fear-free 12-month guarantee. We need to guarantee you might be completely blissful together with your buy. Any doubts, please be at liberty to contact us. We'll reply inside 24 hours. Number 2. Table lamp with USB port and outlet. Please be aware that we add 2 cell phone holders on the lamp socket. There are 2 slots the place you possibly can put your cell phone, iPad, or iWatch. It is a bedside lamp that can be utilized for each lighting and area saving. Let it preserve your desktop clear and tidy. This can be a desk lamp with 3 brightness ranges. Use it to satisfy your completely different lighting wants when sleeping, studying, gaming. Its traditional SQ form is appropriate for lighting in numerous locations corresponding to bedroom, front room, schoolroom, workplace, bookstore, or dormitories. If you obtain the bedroom lamp, you're going to get 1A19 bulb, 6W, 810 lumens, 25,000 plus hours of service life. Should you use it repeatedly 24 hours a day, the bulb can final greater than 2.5 years and save extra power. Its gentle is gentle and no flicker, higher shield your eyes. Not only a white bedside lamp for adornment and lighting, you should use it as a charging station. This lovely gentle comes with 2 USB ports and a 2-prong outlet. You should use it to cast your cell phone, iPad, Kindle, earphones, and different digital gadgets. Number 3. Touch control table lamp. We specifically added 2 sturdy USB ports and 1 sensible AC outlet on the lamp base on your comfort. You might concurrently fill as much as 3 gadgets inside arms attain whether or not lamp is on or off. We're dedicated to providing you with premium high-quality merchandise which are price each penny spent. Any doubts or issues, contact us by way of Amazon message field and we'll reply inside 24 hours. Each buy comes with a 100% satisfaction assure. Get yours at this time. The desk lamp has 3-level brightness for various makes use of. Low light is for nightstand or nursery. Medium light is for day-by-day use, and excessive light could be very shiny for studying or work. You might change brightness by faucet wherever on the bottom or pull with ease to satisfy your wants. The desk lamp has 3-level brightness for various makes use of. Low light is for nightstand or nursery. Medium light is for day-by-day use, and excessive light could be very shiny for studying or work. You might change brightness by faucet wherever on the bottom or pull with ease to satisfy your wants. Number 4. Bedside touch control table lamp. To be able to keep away from such downside is compatibility. 1 dimmable A19 LED bulb coming with the bundle without spending a dime. 5000 Kelvin daylight white. Excessive efficiency with Cry 85 plus, 800 LM, 306 beam angle, and 25000H lifespan. Aiming to profit our clients as properly. Are you as soon as troubled with lack of charging sockets, or your USB cable is simply too quick to achieve you whenever you sitting beside your desk lamp properly? Each downside you suffered earlier than have been resolved by our contact management desk lamp, which has twin USB ports, 1 AC outlet for charging your telephones, laptops, humidifier, Kindle, headsets, speaker, or different electronics. Even the bedroom lamp is off. Properly made white cloth shade makes the glow softer in order that lightness isn't harsh in any respect. Eyes receive it, get drained in any respect for very long time uncovered to this nightstand lamp. As for the bottom, there may be an anti-skid and mute cushion on the underside of the high-quality black heavy base, decreasing friction and noise whenever you transfer that workplace desk lamp as properly. The bedroom finished desk lamp is designed with the distinctively trendy look, so easy however distinctive, including a chic decor to your home. What's extra, the USB lamp is tremendous straightforward to get it collectively by 3 steps. You might want to help the linen shades by 2 coming with metallic rings at first. Then the pole, bulbs would be the final step. Number 5. Bedside lamp with USB port. Featured with good contact delicate sensor. Small contact lamp has 3 completely different brightness ranges and handy to activate. Off as a result of you possibly can alter gentle setting by tapping on silver metallic base. Evening gentle lamp for regular sleep or nursing. Accent lighting for atmosphere. Brightest setting for studying or working. This USB desk lamp for bedroom and built USB and Type-C and AC outlet charger for quick charging. Can cost your cell phone, Kindle, pill, watch and different gadgets regardless of the facet lamp is on or off. To avoid wasting you from troubles, find proper bulb to match. The USB lamp comes with E26 base Q50 2700 Kelvin LED bulb, giving off steady heat white gentle, defending your eyes. Please be aware, activate the change on the wire earlier than utilizing every other features. Dimmable desk lamp is properly made and modern in design. Linen cloth lamp shade gave off a heat and nice glow, offering you with a relaxed and comfy environment. Ideally suited facet desk lamp for bedroom, children room, front room, workplace, dorm, school room. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.